darkness. We are in midwinter. The darkness falls around us, and the cold air, and the ice, and the rain. The animals burrow into their beds. It is that time of the year when we huddle together in our homes by the wall. Hail to the Mother of the Dark, who's coming into the light. Hail to the Mother of the Light, who's leaving the dark behind. Hail to the Sun God, reborn this night. The turning of the tide, the turning of all. East, we welcome you, powers of air. South, we welcome you, powers of fire. West, we welcome you, powers of water. And north, we welcome you, powers of earth. Spirit, we welcome you. The fairy folk too. We seek an audience with all of you. This circle around us is cast so bright. Well, it will be bright this night. We will feast and make joy and celebrate the turning of the wheel. For this is our joy, the God reborn, the God come back. Hail and welcome to the Sun God, light of life, light of joy, light of the gods. So mote it be. Light of the gods, light of the God, come back to us. Light of the world, 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 come back to us. So might it be. Brighten our way, O mighty one. Come back to us. We call you Frey. Come back to us as we sacrifice our time. The runes of magic. Our path to be. I lift this rune. And I lift this rune. Strength. Cattle. What we need for the year ahead. So mote it be. Hi everyone, Gothic Witch here. Very different type of ritual. I didn't want to do a normal one because at the end of the day, this is a personal journey, a personal way of doing your. It's all about the sun coming back. It's all about moving from darkness to light. It's also about people coming together, and that's not possible at this time of the year at the moment because of the virus. But what we can do is realise that the sun is coming back. The sun god is reborn, and it's something to be joyful about. In where I live in England, it is definitely the sun coming back, whereas in Nordic lands they still don't see the sun coming back for a while yet. So it's tailored for where we live. If you want to do something, you can always just light candles, meditate. I'm going to go into a meditation now because I do feel we need to see the light coming back. I'm going to take you on a journey that's quite fun and will involve fairies, So I'd like you to take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Now close your eyes and relax. You find yourself on a leaf, miniaturized, the size of a fairy, a small fairy. This fairy is newborn. She's just awoken and knows nothing. But she has a friend with her who knows more and is getting ready to go somewhere. She says, "Where are you going?" She goes, "Oh, somewhere you can't go this year, my friend, because you haven't got your wings. How are you going to come with me?" So she asks a local dragonfly who is actually resting on the branch, "Could I get a lift with you, because everybody is going somewhere and I don't know where they're going?" So I said, "Of course, my friend, but be careful, because if you fall off, you haven't got any wings." Now you are observing, you are watching the story from this leaf. Now, she gets upon the back of this beautiful creature. And as they go towards where they're going, because she doesn't know where she's going, they hum a song. And goes, "Joy to the earth, oh great joy." And she's saying, "What is all this about, the great joy?" And they go, "Oh, you'll see, you'll see." Now, the journey takes you through all the woodlands in the thick snow, and it's snowing, it's beautiful, it glistens in the light like diamonds, and you're very cold, but in the distance you can see lots of other animals, lots and lots of fairies and other creatures, all making their way to this place in the woods. Oh my, it's cold, but I'm getting excited because everyone is getting excited. Oh my goodness, how wonderful. There is a big, huge bonfire, and there's lots of talking and chatting excitedly. She goes, "I want to see, I want to see." And you too, my friends, want to see. What is it that they're looking at? And there, the Great Mother, sitting illuminated in beautiful light, smiling at everybody and saying, "Welcome, welcome." In her arms, a newborn baby. That baby is the Great Father, the great Sun God reborn. They are all amazed. They go, "Oh yes," and they clap. Amazing. They all huddle round and know that there is great hope now for the future, that the Sun God has been reborn. After which there's much feasting, and you take it all in. Everybody takes a present up to the great Sun God in his new mother's arms. You just go there and you just say, "Welcome, great God, welcome. Thank you for coming back to us, for we have been in darkness." Now everybody's leaving. The little fairy has suddenly found she's got wings and flies home with all her friends. It's now your turn to depart and come back. come back. And you are back. Open your eyes, my friends, you are back. It's a lovely time of the year. It's a time when we all think about the future, but also put the past away and know that we're halfway through and that there's only the sun to come. There's only good things to come. And with that, we say thank you. Thank you for being with us, Freya. Earth, air, fire and water. Thank you that you have been with us and that the light is back. And we will celebrate and we will have much joy. So we now say, East, power of air, fly back to your kingdom and thank you for being with us. South, fire, burn back to yours and thank you for bringing your warmth this night. Water, west, thank you for bringing forth the great mother in your beautiful waters of life. Thank you for being with us. And earth, north, where the cold is, we thank you for keeping us stabilised and safe. And thank you for being with us. Spirit, thank you for being with us as we light the path ahead. And Freya, thank you for being with us. Hail and farewell to all, for this is the end of our ritual tonight. Hail and farewell. Okay guys, that's the end of this ritual. Very short and sweet and very different. But as I said to you before, you don't have to do rituals as they are in books. You can do what you like because nothing is off limits as long as it doesn't hurt anybody and that you keep yourself protected. And with that, I'm going to close. And if I don't put any up for over the period of celebrations, the holidays, I wish you all a magical midwinter blot, Yule, and of course those who want to practice Christianity, Christmas. And I hope you all get what you want and that things start to improve for everybody. And with that, I'm going to say, wherever you are, whatever time of the day, be it day, evening or night, I wish you a fantastic time. Hausa Valan.